Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, we need to format the document with proper headings. Highlight your section title, for example, Introduction. Click on Style and select Heading 1, or go to the Home tab and choose Heading 1. For subsections, use Heading 2 or Heading 3 depending on the structure. Highlight your subsection title, for example, Chapter 1, click Style and select Heading 2, or go to the Home tab and choose Heading 2. For an overview, use Heading 3 depending on the structure. Highlight your overview title, for example, History of Cinema, click Style and select Heading 3, or go to the Home tab and choose Heading 3. Do this for all chapters and subchapters in your document. Once all headings are applied, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, choose either Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. Word will now generate a table of contents based on your headings, showing sections, subsections, and their page numbers. If you make changes to your document, just go back to the table of contents, click Update Table, and select Update Entire Table. And that's it. You've created a table of contents in Microsoft Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.